Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan, SYS-CON TV. I'm here at 11th Cloud Expo. Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have with me Renat Khasanshyn from Altoros. He's come a long way, or are you US based, Renat?
Yeah, we're local. We're right here in Sunnyvale.
Ah, you see, I happen to know he's come from further, but he's actually based here. That's brilliant. And Altoros, the name doesn't mean a whole lot, so I'm thinking, well, you're here at Cloud Expo, it's obviously something cloud related, but I think it might be something to do with acceleration, or am I getting any closer?
Yeah, we accelerate big data application delivery. We build the apps and optimize it for the cloud. Make sure they work fast and they work their best.
Well, I've been here all 4 days too, so I have to know you got to be real busy because that's difficult to do.
Yeah, well, we're very busy with helping companies get the most out of their applications that we help them write in using Ruby on Rails, Ruby, Java. We use technologies like NoSQL databases such as Couchbase, Cassandra, Mongo. We use Hadoop for automation of life science DNA genome sequencing analysis. We use Hadoop and NoSQL databases to help utility companies make sense of smart meter data that comes from our homes to help them recommend us how to save energy. We do stuff like that, and excited to be here. Really great show.
Now, is Altoros, is your play that you enable it, or do you also help people realize the value of some of this big data? Is there a little bit of consulting, or is that not the point?
We provide consulting and application development services. A lot of people start using certain technology because it's the easiest to use, but then when they get to a point where they cannot scale anymore, then they call us. That's very often where we come in, when they kind of push to the limit. And
but is it by then too late? Can you re-architect? Can you go backwards?
We re-architect a lot of different situations where, let's say, one gaming company, they're using Ruby on Rails, and they want to decrease number of servers they use. So they follow an example of another gaming company, OMG Pop, that had 150 servers that are used Ruby on Rails, and they realized they could do much better. So they've rewritten it with Ruby, plain Ruby and Goliath, which works on a much lower level, like it takes advantage of fibers, like more of a rack server, and as a result, they got to 15 servers. So from 150 to 15,
that's pretty neat.
Quite a lot of money saved in hosting bills. So we help do stuff like that, and also take and make the apps highly available to make sure that if you serve, say, your end users or your gaming application users are in different countries, we place servers in the different regions at Amazon. So we create those architectures that help those businesses actually deliver it.
This sounds all good stuff. You've got reference clients by the sound that you really are doing it. How do you sell yourselves? Do you say we did X for Y, so we can do P for Q, or I mean, you're allowed to name names?
Yeah, I'm allowed to name some customers. Some customers that we work with are RightScale, Couchbase. We work with a couple of gaming companies that I'm not gonna call the names. We work with e-commerce application leader in the subscription e-commerce business called ShoeDazzle. They have over 2 million customers in just 2 years or so. And how we get business? The answer is like the word of mouth is like the most reliable and proved to be the easiest way for us to get business. Just building a relationship with customers and having them to recommend us.
Well, let's add to word of mouth. Let's add word of web and make sure that people go to altoros.com. I'm assuming they go to altoros.com.
Yes, they do. They go to altoros.com. They download some examples of studies that we've done. Another good way that we show our customers, potential customers, why they want to talk to us. We take their technologies and we put them to a test, and we show why they don't work well. So in some cases, the companies hire us to tell them what's wrong with their applications. We do code assessments. So these are different ways to do it, and of course participating in trade shows like that helps build the awareness around the company, and we think it's a great show to attend as well. A lot of great content, a lot of trends that have been started a few years ago now reversed. It's getting pretty dynamic, and what we hear is that in some technologies, some vendors telling us that, well, it's developing so quickly that even we at our company, this is one of the Hadoop vendors, even we at our company, we try to follow it, but sometimes we just get behind because it's rolling so fast.
Well, don't allow yourself to fall behind. Reach out to Altoros. Go to altoros.com. Say you were sent by Renat himself. Thank you so much, Renat Khasanshyn, for talking with us here on SYS-CON TV, and thank you for following along on the World Wide Web.